So one of the items that we love coming across is school furniture, and this is a classic example of Indian school furniture. So these are tabletops, and just across there we have the frames. You can see how old and kind of faded the frames are. They've got faded green paint. So the frames sit like that, and then these tops then go on top of the frame. So really easy. Amazingly thick and really hard wood. So you can see here, if I bring it across here, you can see the graffiti here and here, people's names, some's written on there. Not as bad as some of the graffiti I've seen on the English school furniture, but certainly school furniture, definitely. So here are the unrestored frames for the school tables. You can see there's a whole mountain of them here waiting to be restored. And that's literally, I'll just have a zoom in and you can see the condition of them here. You can see literally some of them are painted slight reds and some are greens. The majority of them seem to be green. They look like a dirty color, but that dirt will get washed off and you'll see a beautiful green color underneath. So these are the ones that need to be balanced and leveled out, and we need to make sure that they balance perfectly fine. This is them being cut here. And you can see the offcuts there. So this is one of the school tables that's been finished. You can see how very different the tabletop looks compared to what we saw a little bit earlier. Nice, beautiful hardwood, really strong, really tough, and the frames have been cleaned up. We've not completely got rid of all the built-up patina that's on them, but there you can see how they look really industrial, real character on them. We just turn the table around a little bit more. You can see the kind of simple, thank you. You can see the simple construction, how easy they are to fold and unfold. That's the table there, really strong, really strong. But ideal as little side tables, even little bistro tables as well. But what I'm going to do is to show you how simple it is to kind of deconstruct them and fold them up. So what I'm going to do is to just literally take this top off. There, the top comes off as a separate piece, can get stored away. And then here's the frame here. You can see it's just a really simple X frame, and that's it. As simple as that. It's ready, and it's kind of stored with the other piece, with the top there as well. So there you go, one fold-up table ready to go.